Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Kia Sportage, stock number 6322. This ran from the 6th 2013 to the 10th 2015. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster,